I'm going to be posting a video now, okay, guys? And when you watch it, this very guy in this video actually made a video, I think 2 days ago, alleging that Twoface and his wife, Natasha, that's 2Baba, the ejek, you understand? That he had an altercation with his wife. The fault, police arrested him, blah, 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 you know? After the whole news came out that nothing like that happened, he came up with this video. Now you watch the video.
Twoface was allegedly arrested because he had an altercation with his wife. And he was supposed to perform at the show yesterday, but because of the issue, he wasn't able to perform at the show. But later on, luckily for him, he was actually released. And these people, they went to meet him after he was released. And my God, they have intel. People close to these people. People close to them. Some of these people, they organize as that. See chats now. God. They'll be fine. See, social media go whine you. Look at them. Look at the way they are doing. You think everything is perfect. But deep down inside, there's a lot going on. Before, were you expecting them to admit it before? They can't. Of course, they won't admit it. So what do you expect? Well, they'll be fine.
Now, when you watch the whole rubbish he said, you could see how he was struggling to fake the laugh and everything. Who are you to start telling people who they should go out with? Whether their wife should not manage them or not. Went and copied and pasted one video that somebody sent to him, you know, and showing that he has evidence. That's how they'll tell you that they have evidence. In Nigeria, they will tell you they have evidence that Bola Tinubu was not going to get APC ticket. I have evidence from higher source. I have evidence that they are going to, soldiers are going to arrest Tinubu before takeover. That same person, I'm very sure he was among those people that went and drank salt. They told them to drink salt and water, that they will not contact Ebola. They went in the morning, everyone in Nigeria woke up and was drinking salt. I'm very sure he was among them. The way he's talking like Gabriel, you would see bitterness all around them. Why would people, in the name of trying to go viral, be spreading falsehood? Now, even if that thing is true and Twoface is enjoying and Natasha, they're enjoying their drama, what be una concern? As in, waiting be una concern? I'll go straight to the point. This is why the main reason. Now, I'm going to go straight to the point. When you go watch his earlier video, the one he made, go to the comment section. You're going to know that a lot of youths, human beings of this generation, are nothing to write home about. Animals are better than them. You will see bitterness in people whose life, whose family, where they come from, is dysfunctional. People from broken homes. You see them giving 2 cents of advice online. You see them talking. If you don't know some of them, you think like these people are speaking sense. Like the level of bitterness in young people. And even, you know, there was a time we were saying Gen Z. I don't think there's Gen Z anymore. You find people in their 40s, they don't have sense now. You find people in their 50s. When I was younger, the older you get, when you come close to elderly people, you see wisdom around them. How they talk, how they carry themselves. No difference now between a lot of 50-year-old people, 40-year-old people, and 10-year-old people. I tell you, there is no difference. You will find for wisdom, find for sense in elderly people. You won't find. Now, Twoface married. Now, Twoface come out for marriage. And himself has not come out, you know, to do a lot. Even if she talk, they all have their right. Can people be allowed to actually live their lives? Right to private and public life. Go read the comments. They were cursing Twoface. They were wishing him bad. We said it. We did that. But when you look at the motive, how they sell negativity about people, they want to tell you who you should marry. They want to tell you who you should stay with. They want to tell you who you should not divorce or who you should divorce. They want to even tell you how your marriage should look like, what should be there, who should be invited. That is the society. Shameless man. See the way he's talking. So you could see how he's speaking with confidence, with sheer arrogance. They want to tell Twoface what Twoface should do with his life. Now, there's something called circumstantial evidence and real evidence. And that is when you are at the scene. And that is when, apart from being at the scene, circumstance, you look at people, how they go, you begin to deduce, like, you know, inductive and deductive reasoning. That the way I'm seeing this person, the way this person is going, this might be the case. Now, while those merchants of bitterness and negativity are seeing circumstance, right, to say what they are saying, for merchants of positivity, I want to sell positivity around Two-Face's life for you now. Have you observed how Two-Face public life, how it has actually evolved, how it is growing for good, for an artist, for his personality? Observe how his family, friends frequently are around him now. Go online and look for Two-Face's video some years ago. You won't find much. But if you go online now and click on Two-Face's videos, whatever platform you're using to search, you're going to see more of healthy, happy videos when Natasha came into his life. Now, this is not me, of course. You guys are going to accuse me, oh, he's taking sides. Or this is not about Natasha or Annie, okay? But Two-Face is a different person. It's showing clearly now. Even as regards how he looks. Compare how Two-Face was looking before and now. The freshness, how he was leaner then, how now you could see flesh around him. You could just see Two-Face vibing. Then the most powerful of all, observe the presence of his family, both in-laws, around. How many times do we normally see Two-Face's mother around? It's not even about her birthday. Check on videos. You see Two-Face. You see Annie. You see Natasha. And this woman that you people want to kill. You see how they fraternize. You will see how Two-Face's career is coming back. His career never left because he's a legend in Africa. Two-Face is on a class of his own. Most of you don't know good music now, so you won't understand. Two-Face is on a class of his own. But you see now his career is coming back. See the video he released and the music he released 2 days ago. I was listening to it and I was like, my God, this guy is coming back. This guy, the music sounds like those his first release. You know when an upcoming artist is coming, from the lyrics, you know, from the vibe. Two-Face is going on tours now. Two-Face was surviving all these years on brand because that man is a brand. He was not really surviving from music, like saying he's going on tours, singing, and he has a name. He's a brand. But right now, I'm seeing a Two-Face that is going to take over the music scene again. Whom God has blessed, no man can curse. When it comes to music, right? God has blessed that guy. So let's beware how we actually associate with people. A lot of young people today are bitter people. When people are going out to look for good news, they are looking for bad news. And they will do everything to justify that they are right. When you find such people, stay away from them. They are not good in business. They are not good as political associates. They are not good as family associates. They will infect your family. They will infect your kids. They will make your kids to actually see only negativity in the world. Even in the storm, people must find a reason to actually find good things.